Hello again and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe below this video. You can see the red subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video. Kindly click on it and click on the bell icon next to it. Click on all so that whenever I upload a new video, it will come to you, because I want you to be the first person to always like and watch helpful videos that I am posting from time through time. I want to take you through today's spiritual tips. We will be discussing ginger, the health benefit of ginger, the spiritual benefit of ginger, how important is ginger, and why you need to have ginger at home at all times. Children have passed away. A lot, uncountable numbers of children have passed away through coughing. Coughing is a serious disease. It can kill an adult, likewise children. It does not select who to kill. Sometimes when you are coughing, you realize that you do not have control of yourself. Many a time, doctors and the nurses could not help you. Then you have to refer to what was there before your existence, what was created by the Almighty power. You have to connect or reconnect to the universe to help you out. Now, if you are watching me and you want the spiritual tips that I will leave on here from time to time to work out for you, then you have to believe in the power of the universe. You have to trust in the universe. You have to have faith in the universe. Once you trust in the universe, believe in the universe, and then have faith in the universe, this video is for you. And whatever I share on here, practice it and see how effective it works. You have to believe in the power of nature. We follow the law of the universe and we use the power of nature. And in today's spiritual tips that I want to share with you is the use of ginger. Ginger is medicinal. Ginger has been recommended by medical professionals. Ginger for over the years have been used in the treatment of cold, nausea, arthritis, even hypertension. Ginger has always been used in the treatment of cancer. So when you talk about cancer chemotherapy, ginger can be a good use there as well. Other than the medical benefits of ginger, there is spiritual benefit of ginger. Sometimes you are thrown into a cage as a spiritual attack. Sometimes the coughing that you see, your child, your relative, your neighbor, or particularly you, may not be the cause of the natural development of it, but it can be witch hunt, it can be an attack. And how do you stop this? Get yourself ginger, get a knife, peel this ginger, peel the skin off, and cut it in half. Put it in your mouth, just like where you are licking a sweet. Leave it there, and always swallow your saliva. It will be bitter. It may cause itching right in your throat, but it's good because ginger also cures sore throat. If you must know this, just leave the ginger in your mouth. Even go to bed and sleep having it in your mouth. You will realize that you will not be witch hunt that night. You will realize that you will not receive any attack, because the spirits dislike the smell of ginger, and whatever that has to do with ginger, the spirit doesn't near you at any, no matter the kind of attack sent to you. As long as you have ginger in your mouth, as you are sleeping, that attack is not going to penetrate your body. It's not going to harm you. What I am talking about is the importance of ginger. Take it serious. Ginger is powerful. It's powerful medicine. It can be used medically. It can be used spiritually. So it plays a part in either ways or both ways. So ginger is so important that you need to have it at home. I will tell you about other use of ginger to help you guide yourself spiritually and medically. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now and give this video a like so that it will get shared with other people to watch. See you in my next video.